Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great week so far. I wanted to jump on quickly today and share with you a must-have die for your stash. What you're looking at right here is this adorable little deer. I found this steel rule die on AliExpress. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. I had been wanting a deer like this for a long time. I think Lisi46 here on YouTube, she had picked up a steel rule die that was no longer available, and I had, ever since I had saw her projects, I had always been wanting that die. So when I ran across this one, I said, yes, let me pick it up. It looks adorable. So I picked it up. Really cute. This is what it looks like cut out. Isn't she absolutely adorable? I mean, I just love this little die. I mean, this little deer. I mean, it's so cute. And of course I had to add a super cute little bow to her. So that's the first one. And then I did pull out my Santa Baby paper and made one in the Santa Baby collection. And then I did use my Pink and Mane bow die, which I'm absolutely loving. I love that bow die, but so cute, and you can do so many different combinations. Here's another one, and I used some Prima paper on this little deer right here. Adorable, love it. And then I used I actually used this paper right here, which is that bow paper from Michaels, and I added glitter to the face, just tried something different. And again, it's super cute. As you can see, I made a bunch of them. And then I did make one on a card. Let me just zoom out just a tad so you can see. I made this adorable card using the little deer in the Prima paper, and then I used this word cheer, which is a die that I recently picked up from Alina Cuddle Store, and I think it came out so cute. I love this die. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Okay, so that is that. And then the other die I want to show you is this die right here. It's a sleigh. It creates this super cute sleigh that you're looking at right here. Now it is 3D. I mean, look how absolutely adorable. So it creates this super cute 3D sleigh, and I just wanted to share how super cute it is. It fits in the size of my hand. This would make a super cute ornament. You could make some little mini boxes and turn them into presents, and obviously embellish it a little bit further. But I thought I'd just jump on and share with you what it looks like. I did layer it a couple of times with heavyweight cardstock to give it some sturdiness. As you can see, this is very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's not flimsy at all because I layered it with heavyweight cardstock, and then I did a layer of glitter paper on the seat and on the back. So that's how I made it so sturdy, and I can share how I put this together if you're wondering how to put it together. Maybe you already have this die, I don't know. And then this one looks like this, and as you can see, I was a little off with sliding this one in, but it's still super cute. And I used some pattern paper, Christmas pattern paper on this sled, and there's a red glitter on the bottom of this one. So this is a really cute die. I would say these two are some must-haves for your Christmas stash. Thanks for watching today's video. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will link the items in the description box below, so check there. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.